I want to talk to you about your future.
What future? Haven't you heard the world is going to burn up in 10 years? Or maybe it's 20.
You don't really believe that, do you?
No, not really.
I didn't think so.
So what about this future that I might have?
What if I told you that when you're ready to retire, let's say at age 65, there would be $1 million waiting for you? Maybe a lot more.
When I'm 65? How about $1 million now?
Sorry, I can't help you with that.
Too bad. My car insurance premium has gone through the roof. How about $500,000? All right, so what are you selling? Lottery tickets?
No, I'm not selling anything. I want to fix a broken program in Washington.
Which one?
Social Security.
Social Security? Isn't that going bankrupt?
Well, let's put it this way. It's not in great shape. That's why we need to talk about it.
All right, I'm all ears.
Do you know how Social Security is financed?
They take money out of my paycheck, right?
It's called a payroll tax. It's the biggest tax you pay.
Yeah, I've noticed.
You pay, and your employer also pays on your behalf, but it all comes out of your paycheck.
And I get all that money back when I reach 65. Except it's going broke, so I probably won't get anything.
I wouldn't go that far. You'll get something. But Social Security is running out of money. That's not just me saying it. The government admits it. You're literally paying for my Social Security, but who's going to pay for yours? Any way you slice it, it's not a very good investment of your money.
I'm getting ripped off.
Exactly. The rate of return you're getting from the government is very low, almost non-existent. And as we've already discussed, the money might not be there when you retire.
So what's your idea?
Rather than putting your money into a Social Security fund, which is controlled by politicians, what if you could deposit that money into an account assigned to you and you alone? No politician could get his greedy hands on it. You would gain access to your money when you reach 65.
How is your plan better?
I thought you'd never ask. I want to introduce you to what Albert Einstein called the greatest force in the universe.
E=mc²?
Compound interest.
Never heard of it.
As you add money to your account, paycheck after paycheck, it grows exponentially. Slowly at first, and then faster and faster over time. The younger you start, the better. It's truly amazing how it works. At an annual rate of return of 6%, a $5,000 a year investment will turn into $1 million in less than 40 years.
Cool. What am I investing in?
This is the best part. Under this new plan, you'd invest in an index of all the stocks on the American stock exchanges. I call it the Invest in America plan.
What's an index fund?
It's essentially a big basket of all major stocks, in this case, a very big basket. As the stock market rises, your account grows.
Isn't investing in stocks risky?
Investing in individual stocks can be, yes. But here you'd be investing in thousands of stocks, from Walmart to FedEx to Google. The risk is spread out. What you'd really be doing is investing in the American economy, and historically, that's been a very good bet.
How good?
Let's put it this way. On average, the stock market doubles about every 7 years. That leaves Social Security in the dust. If we'd adopted this program 40 years ago, instead of getting an average monthly benefit of $1,800, retirees who had worked full-time would now be getting $8,000 to $10,000 a month.
$1,800 a month? Who can live off that? I'd have to give up Starbucks.
And remember, your Invest in America account would have your name on it. It would belong to you and not the government.
I like that idea. I don't trust politicians on either side.
And here's the topper. Since you're investing money in the American economy, you'd be helping the economy grow, providing fresh capital for businesses to expand and create new jobs. And again, as the economy grows, your account grows. This is a win-win for everybody. Right now, most low-income workers and minorities don't own any stocks. If this program were adopted, they would. Every American would have a stake in America and a safety net when they retire.
I'm liking this more and more.
I thought you might.
So how do I sign up for this program?
That's the problem. It doesn't exist. Yet.
Well, let's do it.
If anyone is going to do it, it's going to be your generation.
How do we make it happen?
Start a movement. Start a revolution. Spread the word that there's a better way. Tweet about it. Tell your friends, your coworkers.
Yeah, we need to go viral.
It's your money. Invest it in America rather than relying on the government.
It's a scam, a big grift.
Don't wait. Every day that goes by means that more of your hard-earned money is going down the Washington drain, never to be seen again.
Sign me up.
I always thought it was a grift.
What was that about $1 million?
Thank you for watching this video. To keep PragerU videos free, please consider making a tax-deductible donation.